18 district attorneys signed on to what came to be known as the Harris Brief.
In my opinion, there are two definitions of patriotism, and
Enjoying these videos? Don't forget to show your support. Hit the like button and share to spread the word. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest content. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We're always open to suggestions. Also, visit the website at jamesanthonyreport.com to support our Patriot-approved sponsors. Your purchase keeps us on the air and ensures we continue providing you with info on the topics you like most. Now back to the report.
Come on, man!
Today, San Francisco's district attorney pressed Congress to repeal a law that she says makes it much tougher to fight crime.
The Supreme Court decided a case in 2008 known as District of Columbia versus Heller. This extraordinary case posed a challenge to the ban that prevented residents in the district from owning a handgun, both for self-defense and inside their own homes.
One of the problems is that the state program has been under-resourced, underfunded.
At the time of the case in 2008, Kamala Harris was the San Francisco district attorney and led the effort to back this unconstitutional law. 18 district attorneys signed on to what came to be known as the Harris Brief.
in my opinion, there are two definitions of patriotism, and what is a patriot? The first is that person who defends their country whatever it does.
With Harris's name even appearing on the cover. Kamala supported the notion laid out in the bill that firearms only belong in the hands of the military, and that states' laws don't have an effect on this extremist view of the Second Amendment.
And I define, by the way, patriotism as the second of two in terms of the, I'm going to start that again.
Ultimately, SCOTUS decided the case in favor of our right to keep and bear arms. That was backed up in another case just a few years later.
Last year they confiscated the highest number of semi-automatic pistols in 5 years.
Kamala Harris wants an Australian-style buyback program to confiscate your firearms and has repeatedly talked about packing the Supreme Court to bypass anything that might stand in her way.
We are and can be a real democracy in a place that is all about equality and treating all men and women equal.
As she likes to point out, her values haven't changed.
After my 8 years as President of the United States, I think our country would be different in many ways.
If Kamala Harris wins the presidency in November, she's coming for your freedom.
And at the end of my 8 years, I promise you, everyone will be wearing an American flag on their lapel.
Nice.
This is James Anthony reporting.
And just because you legally possess a gun in the sanctity of your locked home doesn't mean that we're not going to walk into that home and check to see if you're being responsible and safe in the way you conduct your affairs.